everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a Valentine special beautiful heart cake with a lot of vintage piping techniques on it. So let's get started. To start off with, all you need is a 6-inch cake tin, a pencil and a parchment paper. 6-inch why? Because that's the size of my sponge. So I want to draw out a heart shape. So the parchment paper that you take has to be square and has to be a 6-inch by 6-inch sign. Then all you have to do is fold it into half. You can either use a Google template also, but you can sketch it out. It's very easy. So all you want to do is just sketch out a heart on one side. This is how it should look. Now I'm going to cut it out. Fold and make this heart, you will get an equal shape on either sides, and then once you open up, this is how it looks. All right, now I want to take my red velvet sponge. The link of the sponge is given in the description box. You can try that out, and the template we will place here and trim it with a small knife. Once done, this is how it looks. Now let's start making the filling. You can either take white whipped cream to do the filling. I had some pink whipped cream lying with me, so I'm using the same, and I'm using my homemade strawberry compote. It's the season for fresh strawberries and I love making strawberry compotes, so I'm going to use this in the filling. The link of the strawberry compote is there for our members. Members can go and try my fresh strawberry compote recipe, and all those who have not joined yet, quickly join and avail our member special recipes. I'm adding some more, giving it a good mix. So it's always advisable that you add a little bit of whipped cream to your compotes, which balances out the sweetness of the compote, also makes it really sturdy for the cake to be. So it will not start moving, it will not slide. तो ऐसे आप इसको mix कर सकते हैं. This is kind of optional, but to enhance, I always prefer adding Spanish strawberry essence to it. This takes the filling to the next level, so do give it a try out. थोड़ा सा essence मिलाने से इसकी जो aroma है वो next level हो जाती है और बहुत tasty हो जाता है केक. So give it a good mix. अच्छे से mix करने के बाद now you are ready to fill the cake. Now, because it's the season for Valentines, I want to use a beautiful pink color to my cake. So I'm just squeezing out a little pink edible food color, and then I'm going to give it a good mix. Look at the beautiful color. We are going to start filling in the cake. All I want to do is always make sure that I make a well, so which helps me keeping the compotes or the fillings inside and it doesn't ooze out. I'll do another round. Now do a generous filling. You're making it for your loved one. Be generous. And then this is called an offset knife. You want to tuck the filling in. Now, because I'm not making it into a cliched heart cake, like a red heart cake, so I wanted to do the filling as red, so that once somebody cuts through in and they can see a beautiful red color coming and oozing out. So I'm doing a red color filling, but outside I plan to do a pink instead. Now I'm going to place the next layer, the top layer. Once you place it, make sure that you fit it really well and check that it's even, and then you would quickly want to do a crumb coat. Once the crumb coat is done, this is how it looks. You can set it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you can fill in your piping bags. Now let's frost the cake. So you have to take time and be patient and start piping one line at a time, and it's going to be easier for you to achieve that heart shape. And then you want to do the top part also. Be slow and gradual. Make sure to fill all the gaps. Once you use the bench scraper, you will see there are tiny gaps that's there. Fill it out with using a piping bag or an offset palette knife, whatever you're comfortable using. Then go on to the top and apply the cream. Please do not scrape it entirely. The idea is to apply and smoothen it out. स्टार्ट बाय पाइपिंग द केक। और अब मैं आप लोगों को पाइपिंग सिखाने वाली हूँ जिससे इसकी ब्यूटीफुल सी विंटेज लुक आ जाएगी। जो मैंने नॉजल्स यूज किए इस केक को विंटेज लुक देने के लिए, उसकी जो लिंक है मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी है, आप वहां से ये नॉजल्स परचेज कर सकते हैं। सो आई एम ऑलवेज आस्क्ड इन माई कॉमेंट्स द नॉजल दैट आई यूज, सो दिस टाइम आई एम पुटिंग इन द लिंक्स टू ऑल माई नॉजल्स used for this vintage looking cake that is going to make it super beautiful in the description box below. You can buy clicking the link in the description box and make such beautiful vintage looking cakes. I plan to use a pop-up yellow color to break the monotony of the cake, which makes the cake look more brighter and beautiful. Now, because it's Valentine season, I chose some maroon ribbons, which will again give a contrast to the cake. तो थोड़ा सा contrast के लिए हम maroon ribbon यहाँ पे use कर सकते हैं, जो और ज़्यादा vintage look को beautiful बनाता है. Look how gorgeous this cake has turned out to be. Create this and surprise your loved ones this Valentine season. Don't forget to subscribe to Sangeeta's Cooking Mantra for such beautiful tutorials and techniques.